Planting tomatoes the right way can make a huge difference in the size and quality of your harvest. There are many methods to grow tomatoes, but the one we are about to follow will not just give good results. It will give great results. Follow each step carefully, and you will see how strong and productive your tomato plants can be. But before we start, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more gardening tips. The first step is to prepare the planting area. Instead of digging a hole, we will dig a trench. The length of the trench should match the length of your tomato plants, and it should be at least 3 inches deep. This method may seem different from what most people do, but it will help your plants grow better and stronger. Next, we will add vermicompost into the trench. Vermicompost is an excellent source of nutrients because it is full of beneficial microbes and organic matter. It improves soil structure, increases moisture retention, and helps plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. If you don't have vermicompost, you can also use compost or fully decomposed manure. These organic materials provide essential nutrients that help young tomato plants establish quickly and grow vigorously. Once the compost is added, spread it evenly in the trench. Now, we will sprinkle organic turmeric powder into the trench. Turmeric is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent that protects plants from soil-borne diseases. It also helps in preventing root rot and fungal infections, keeping your tomato plants healthier. After adding turmeric, mix all the ingredients in the trench to ensure the compost and turmeric blend well with the soil. The next step is planting, and this is where the magic happens. Instead of planting tomatoes in a straight, upright position, we will lay the plants horizontally in the trench. Gently place each tomato plant on its side and cover about 80% of the stem with soil, leaving only the top leaves above the ground. This method encourages the plant to grow roots all along the buried stem, creating a much stronger root system. More roots mean better nutrient and water absorption, leading to faster growth and higher yields. Stronger roots also make the plant more resistant to drought and strong winds, preventing it from falling over as it grows taller. Once the plants are covered with soil, the final step is watering. Give the newly planted tomatoes a generous amount of water to help the roots settle in and remove any air pockets in the soil. The soil should be moist, but not waterlogged. Over the next few days, keep an eye on the moisture levels, ensuring the soil remains damp but not too wet. With this method, your tomato plants will develop deep and healthy roots, leading to strong and productive plants. By following this trench planting technique, your tomatoes will grow faster, absorb nutrients efficiently, and produce an abundant harvest. If you found this method helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing gardening tips.